Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at a reliable, feature-packed home appliance, the Kenmore 8.0 cubic feet front-load electric dryer with Wrinkle Guard and Accela Steam. This dryer is built for households that want efficient drying, fabric care, and energy savings without unnecessary complexity. With a large 8.0 cubic feet capacity, it easily handles bulky loads like comforters, blankets, towels, and family-sized laundry, reducing the number of cycles you need to run each week. One of the standout features is Accela Steam technology. This feature helps reduce wrinkles, static, and odors by introducing steam at key moments during the drying cycle. This is especially useful for dress shirts, work clothes, and fabrics that usually need ironing. Less ironing means time saved and better fabric longevity. Kenmore also includes Wrinkle Guard, which periodically tumbles clothes after the cycle ends. This prevents clothes from sitting still and forming deep wrinkles if you forget to unload the dryer immediately. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. Drying performance is handled by smart sensor drying technology, which automatically detects moisture levels and adjusts drying time. This prevents overdrying, protects fabrics, and improves overall energy efficiency. Combined with Energy Star certification, this dryer helps lower electricity costs while delivering consistent results. The LED display is clear and easy to use, offering multiple drying cycles and temperature options for different fabric types. The front-load design makes loading and unloading comfortable, and the overall build quality feels solid and durable, exactly what you expect from Kenmore. If you're looking for a dependable electric dryer with steam care, smart sensors, and energy efficiency, the Kenmore 8.0 cubic feet front-load electric dryer is a strong choice for modern homes. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're planning to buy, check the Amazon link below.